Hello again, I'm Jonathan, also known as the PC Genie, and today we're going to be looking at sharpening these blades. I've got, as I showed in the previous video, a new belt sander called a Sealey something with numbers and all the rest. So I'm going to be using these various blades you see on the table and this axe in my hand, and the point is I'm going to be practicing the skills but also trying to see how each of them come out, because some of these blades are already sharp, some of these blades need a new edge, some of them, you know, have a thicker blade, thinner blades, some of them have softer and harder metals, like for example this axe has quite a soft blade it seems. I think it's some sort of mild steel maybe, because it doesn't seem to hold an edge quite well. It was cheap though, so that makes sense. Whereas other blades, you know, they've got various qualities, so that means there's plenty for me to play around with. In terms of just testing the machine out, I have already used this one in the machine, which is one of the two knives, this one and this one, which have been through an industrial washing machine, and suffice it to say, came out in a bit of a rough state. But this one I already tested on the machine. I will come up and give you a close-up. This knife has had some sharpening, and previously it couldn't even cut any paper. It was pretty much useless as an actual blade, pointless tool if it can't cut, and yet now it can. To put it in Doug Markaida's words,
it will kill.
Although, maybe not, it doesn't have a very good thrusting point. But yes, so we're going to be trying each of these out and then see what the results come out like. And even though I don't know how to make America great again, we're going to be making these blades sharp again.